Hello children, welcome to your computer class. Today we will start with chapter number 3, features of a computer. Till now we have seen that computer is a very useful machine and what are some of the rules of computer room. Now today we will learn some of the features of a computer, like what can a computer do and what can a computer not do. Okay, so now let's read the lesson together. A computer is a wonderful machine. It can do many things faster than we do manually. Let's look at some of the things. So computer is a useful machine and it can do many things faster than what humans can do. So in some aspect computer is better than humans because there are some things that computer can do better than us, faster than us, and it takes less amount of money. That is, it is cheaper. So let's see the first point. A computer works fast. So computer is a very fast machine. It is not a slow machine. It is a very fast machine. So see what they are telling us. Satish is adding big numbers. It takes him some time, but a computer can give him the answer in a second or two. So this man over here, his name is Satish and he is doing some calculations. His work is to add big numbers, big number addition, and it is taking a lot of time and he is making mistakes also. So what can we do? How a computer can help him? Computer can give, but a computer can give him the answer in a second or two because computer has been designed in such a way that it works fast. It performs mathematical operations very quickly. It has a separate ALU unit inside the CPU, that is arithmetic and logic unit, which performs all the mathematical operations very fast. So this computer can help this man Satish to do this addition work quickly. A computer can work faster than us. We can use it to save time. So how computer will help us? It will help us to save our time because time is very precious. Once time is gone, we cannot get it back again. So we should make use of computer so that it helps us in saving our time. So this was the first feature of computer, that computer works fast. It is a fast machine. Now let's see the second thing. A computer can do many things together. Second point is, this was first point, a computer works fast, and second point is a computer can do many things together. So Mr. Sharma is trying to write a letter. This man, his name is Mr. Sharma and he is trying to write a letter. See, he is writing a letter. He is also doing some sums and he is doing some additions on the calculator, and as you can see he is also talking to someone on the phone. So because of this he is not able to concentrate on any one of the tasks. He is not able to do the calculations properly. He is making mistake. He is not able to write the letter. He is making mistake. He is not able to talk properly with the person he is speaking to on the phone. So he is doing all this at the same time and finding it difficult. He is trying to do everything at the same time and it is becoming difficult for us. So the main thing is, we cannot do many things at one time and we should not try to do, because if we try to do many things at one time, what will happen? Our quality of work, it will reduce. We will not do our work properly and in a good way. For example, a student is watching TV and also doing his homework. So what will happen is that he will not understand the homework he is doing properly. He will make mistakes. So either he should finish watching his television and then sit for studying, or first he should finish studying and then he should watch the television. But he should not try to do two things at the same time. And this we can even see in other things also. For example, someone is talking on the mobile phone and also he is trying to ride a motorcycle. So what happens is that he will meet with an accident or he will go and dash someone else because he is trying to do more than one thing at a time. So we should not do more than one thing at a time. But a computer can do many things at the same time. See, while we are using the computer, computer can play some audio file, some music, or computer can at the same time play a video and we can watch the video or we can play some audio file in the background and we are typing on the computer. Okay, so computer can do many things at one time, but we cannot do many things at one time, and we should not try to do, because that will reduce our quality of the work. Okay, now let's go to page number 2. So next feature of computer is computer can do boring work. Okay, isn't there some work that we don't enjoy doing? We feel like it is very boring. Why we have to do this again and again repeatedly? We find some work boring. So there is one lady over here. Her name is Aditi. Aditi works in a shop. Her job is to add up a lot of numbers all day. She is bored of doing this. Even you sometimes feel bored, right? Doing math sum again and again, again and again. Mama gave you 2 sums. Then when you have finished solving that, she again gave you more 5 sums. Then again she gave you 10 sums. So you feel bored. You don't like doing that. So similarly, this lady, her job in the office is to add numbers. That is all day. Her job is only that she has to make additions. So she is bored of doing this. So how can computer help her? Think. How can computer help this girl over here or this lady? Computer never gets tired or bored. Why does computer not get tired or bored? Can you tell me? Can you think? Why does computer never get tired or bored? Yes, because computer is a non-living thing. Computer does not have feeling. Computer does not become happy. Computer does not become sad. Computer does not cry. Computer does not become bored. Computer को गुस्सा भी नहीं आता है, right? So because computer is a non-living thing. So what? Because it is a non-living thing, it does not get tired and it does not get bored. कंप्यूटर कभी ऐसा नहीं बोलता मैं थक चुका हूँ, प्लीज़ मुझसे और काम मत लो, या मैं बोर हो चुका हूँ, प्लीज़ मुझे थोड़ी देर आराम करने दो, मुझे अभी कोई दूसरा काम करने दो. कंप्यूटर नेवर टेल्स लाइक दैट बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग एंड इट डज नॉट गेट बोर्ड नॉर डज इट गेट टायर्ड एंड इट कैन डू द सेम थिंग्स ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. एक ही काम को बार बार रिपीटेडली कर सकता है और उससे वो बोर भी नहीं होता. सो would it not be good if Aditi used a computer to do her calculation? That this lady, अगर उसने अपने टेबल के ऊपर एक कंप्यूटर लेकर आके रख दिया और कंप्यूटर पे एडिशंस कर रही है इंस्टेड ऑफ डूइंग इट ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, देन इट वुड ग्रेटली रिड्यूस हर वर्क एंड शी विल एन्जॉय हर वर्क. वो बोर भी नहीं होंगी, वो दूसरा काम कर सकती है. शी कैन रीड बुक्स, शी कैन डू अदर ऑफिस वर्क एंड यूज़ द कंप्यूटर टू डू द कैलकुलेशन विच शी डज नॉट एन्जॉय. जो चीज़ें उसको पसंद नहीं है वो कंप्यूटर को बोल सकती है दैट कंप्यूटर डू दिस फॉर मी, एंड दोज थिंग्स दैट शी लाइक्स ड्राइंग और अदर ऑफिस वर्क शी कैन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट इन दैट. सो दिस वॉज द थर्ड थिंग दैट वी सॉ टुडे, दैट कंप्यूटर कैन डू बोरिंग वर्क. नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट, अ कंप्यूटर इज एक्यूरेट. Computer is accurate. That means computer does not make mistake, or it makes very less mistake, or rarely it makes mistake. Rajan, this man, his name is Rajan. Rajan makes many mistakes in his work. देखो कितनी गलती करता है कि उसको इतना बड़ा क्रॉस दे दिए. जो भी काम करता है उसमें सब मिस्टेक कर रहा है वो. His boss is very angry with him. रजन कुछ भी काम करके उनके बॉस के पास लेकर जाता है and his boss tells him no, you have done it wrong. He gives him a big wrong. No one likes to get a wrong, right? आपकी टीचर आपके बुक में जब ऐसा बड़ा सा क्रॉस देती है तो आपको अच्छा लगता है? No, we don't like, right? So this man is very worried because he is making lot of work. His boss is not happy, and what is the main problem? He has to again do the work, so it is taking up more time. उससे और टाइम ले रहा है because he has to again do the work. उसको वापस उसको काम करना पड़ रहा है अभी. Okay, that is the problem with Rajan. इट इज़ टेकिंग अप मोर टाइम. उसने पहले काम कर लेकर गया, बॉस ने बोला नो रॉन्ग, देन अगेन ही डिड अगेन रॉन्ग. सो उसका पूरा दिन एक ही काम में वेस्ट हो रहा है. इट इज़ टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ टाइम फ्रॉम हिम. ओके, सो ही इज़ नॉट हैप्पी विथ ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो what Rajan can do, he can make use of computer because the computer is accurate. It will help Rajan finish his work quickly and the work will be correct too. Because computer is a machine, it does not make mistake. Okay, whatever will tell the computer to do, it does it properly and it does it quickly. दो चीज़ें करता है कंप्यूटर. कंप्यूटर इज़ एक्यूरेट, मतलब बहुत कम मिस्टेक करता है, एंड कंप्यूटर डज इट वेरी फास्ट. एंड दिस टू थिंग्स इज़ वॉट वी ह्यूमन्स नीड। ये दोनों चीज़ें हमको चाहिए। हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा काम सही भी हो और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा काम जल्दी भी हो, राइट। हु लाइक्स टू डू द वर्क होल डे, पूरा सुबह से लेकर शाम तक बस आपने 5 सम्स किए, दैट इज़ नॉट गुड। ओके, आपका पूरा दिन चला गया 5 सम्स करने में, और अगर आप कंप्यूटर पे एडिशन करते तो इट वुड हैव टेकन लेस देन 2 मिनट्स, 2 मिनट से कम टाइम लेता था। सो रजन ही कैन मेक यूज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर बिकॉज कंप्यूटर इज़ एक्यूरेट एंड कंप्यूटर इज़ वेरी क्विक, it does not make mistake and it solves quickly. Come on, now let's see point number 5. A computer can store information. Computer has a memory, it stores information and it does not forget. Like how we have memory in our brain in which we store information, we remember name, our family's name, our friend's name, we remember our daddy mummy's mobile number, we remember where our school name, our teacher's name, right? All of this it's stored in our brain inside the memory. Similarly, computer it also has a memory. A computer is designed to work with information, it does not forget, it has a memory. कंप्यूटर को ऐसा बनाया गया है कि उसके अंदर मेमोरी है जो जिसमें इंफॉर्मेशन स्टोर हो जाती है और कंप्यूटर उसको भूलता नहीं है। एंड वी कैन यूज़ द कंप्यूटर मेमोरी टू रिस्टोर द इंफॉर्मेशन वेन एवर वी यूज टू यूज़ इट अगेन। हम कंप्यूटर की मेमोरी को यूज़ कर सकते हैं जो भी चीज़ें हमने उसमें स्टोर की थी। फॉर एग्जांपल सी इन दिस फोटो दे आर शोइंग, कंप्यूटर में उन्होंने स्कूल के रिजल्ट स्टोर किए थे, सॉन्ग्स स्टोर किए हैं, कस्टमर्स के नाम स्टोर किए हैं, कंपनी के अकाउंट्स, लिस्ट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, टेलीफोन डायरेक्टरीज। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ़ आई हैड स्टोर्ड इन द कंप्यूटर इन 2012 समथिंग, ओके, कंप्यूटर के मेमोरी में मैंने इसको स्टोर कर दिया और आज 2020 में मैं वो फाइल ओपन करता हूँ, सो एवरीथिंग विल बी देयर, इट विल नॉट गो अवे अनलेस आई डिलीट इट। जब तक मैं उसको डिलीट नहीं करता हूँ वो सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन वहाँ पर रहती है। सो कंप्यूटर इज़ अ वेरी यूजफुल मशीन एंड इट हैज़ वेरी गुड फीचर्स, thus everyone should make use of computer to make their work easy. But you must be thinking, computer is such a good machine, it does so many things, but are there something that computer cannot do? क्या कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है? That is the last point of this lesson. Today's lesson last point is, or this chapter's last point is, a computer cannot do something. कुछ ऐसे काम हैं जो कंप्यूटर नहीं कर सकता है। क्यों? Because computer is a non-living thing. Because it is a non-living thing, computer cannot eat, computer cannot sleep, computer cannot breathe, computer cannot laugh, computer cannot cry, because it is not a living thing. Similarly, computer cannot think. कंप्यूटर सोच नहीं सकता है हमारी तरह। कंप्यूटर फील नहीं कर सकता है पेन, किसी को अगर चोट लग जाती है तो उन्हें दर्द महसूस होता है, कंप्यूटर उसको दर्द नहीं होता है बिकॉज इट इज़ अ नॉन लिविंग थिंग. सो देर आर सम थिंग्स दैट कंप्यूटर कैन नॉट डू सच एज ईट, स्लीप, breathe, because it is a non-living thing. So those things that computer can do, we should make use of computer so that it reduces our work and it saves us a lot of time. And those things that computer cannot do, such as thinking, creativity, in that we should use our energy. Okay, so with this we complete our lesson number 3. I hope you understood the lesson. You can go through the video again if you have any doubt.